Hey y'all, and welcome back. We are back with another video. We just recently bought this RV and I'm so excited to take y'all along this adventure with us on restoring it.
This one, these two, right? So this one.
This is gonna be so cool. We have no idea how we're going to do this, but we're gonna figure it out. It's a little bit bigger than a camper van, so we have some room to work with. I'm so excited. So we had to stop by Advance Auto Parts to pick up a few things for the RV to be able to drive it around and drive it home so we can start on this huge project that we have in store. Almost. It's getting there.
Yeah, I'd give it a few pumps.
It's been a minute.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
So what are you doing?
We're flipping the spring over.
You flipping the spring over?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the fuel pump thingy that's on the
Accelerator
carburetor.
pump.
Accelerator pump. And we just bought that piece, replaced it because it was leaking.
Yeah, that
Oh
see,
yeah,
even has
that
a
looks
hole
beautiful. Yeah, see, we put it on
for it.
backwards.
Yeah, so now are you sure that was the side that went up? Like something cut it off.
It's moving! Oh my gosh. We have an RV, y'all. A big project at that. It's definitely a big project. But it's gonna be so exciting. So we're
I guess you don't really have to have it tight.
having to replace the rotor too, not just the brakes, because the rotor has a crack
Fine
in
now,
it.
that's quick and easy.
Which I don't know where the
Find
crack
my
is.
magnet over there.
Magnet?
Yeah.
Oh. I need a magnet. I don't know. I can replay it here. Okay. Magnet. Okay, so he doesn't need the magnet. Okay, so I found the crack. It's right there. And that's why we have to replace it. Because other than that, it doesn't look bad. I'm gonna get the brakes off. Oh, that just popped out.
I know. Yeah.
Thing's all greased up. What did you say God about?
Fluff them.
Show me, babe. Are those brakes?
Yeah, well, this is the caliber, yeah.
Oh, okay. I was like, good. Brakes. All right, she's coming home. We're about to leave out.